Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm with vitamin B5. So it is specially designed for the dry skin type and also for the sensitive skin. Anyone with dry skin can use it. It can be a small baby to the older person. This is how the tube looks like. It's quite well packaged. I love the packaging. It's so minimalistic and you can just press at the end of the tube and you can let out a little bit of product. And this is how the tube is, and you can just take a little bit of product and let boom, and you can just apply it all over your face. So I'm just gonna apply it here. To be honest, the consistency is quite good. I already used this product because I just wanted to check if it is good. As you can see, it's a very thick consistency and it is like really moisturizing for the skin. So I can understand this formulation was specially made for the dry skin type or else flaky skin. I love all the formulations that are made from the microbiome science, and it is under the La Roche-Posay company. I use this particular cream usually while applying my adapalene or sometimes when I'm applying my tretinoin. Well, now I will be talking about the formulation of how it is actually been made and what are the different ingredients that are actually put into this particular product, and if it is really good formulation. The product claims that it is suitable for sensitive skin type and can be paraben free, fragrance free, non-comedogenic, allergy tested, and also tested for the babies, that is pediatrician, and the pediatrician has also approved it, and it is suitable for the babies as young as 1 week. For testing it, I just took a small pieces amount and applied it on my hand, and I just let it be there for good 2 to 3 hours, and I could see that it had nourishing effect even after 2 to 3 hours, so which is like a plus if you want to buy such a cream which is very moisturizing. When you have a small child, then what happens is that their skin tends to dry out because they're very fragile. Their skin is very fragile actually, and you need some balm that can actually hydrate their skin and doesn't cause any sort of allergic reaction. So this is the cream that I would suggest for the infants and the babies if you want some cream which is better than Johnson's and Johnson babies. So this is the one that you have to apply for those little babies, and it will be the best option. I'm gonna be reading the formulation over here, and I'm gonna be telling you the most important ingredients in this, and I'm not gonna be talk about the preservatives and different formulation stabilizers that are present in it. Just gonna be talking about the active ingredients and what are its uses for your skin. A small background: when you have a dry skin type, what happens is that your skin cannot retain the moisture into it, and the moisture is getting lost. So there is water molecules escaping from the skin cells, and you need something that can actually protect that water into your skin. The first ingredient over here is water, which means that it is not going to be a very thick consistency, because some creams do have it. Like in the ordinary retinol serums, there is like first ingredient is squalene, which means that it's going to be a very thick consistency and very oily. But this cream is formulated with water, which means it's going to be a better thin consistency which can easily be absorbed into the skin. The second ingredient is hydrogenated polysibutane, which is synthetically produced, and it helps as a skin conditioner which smooths out the skin surface when you apply it. Looking at the third ingredient, that is dimethicone. Dimethicone is a silicone based formulation, and when the skin is losing water, it kind of makes a shield on it so that the water doesn't get lost. So water stays in the skin, and the skin has more retained moisture, which helps in the dry skin type and also in eczema prone skin. Then there is glycerin. It is a very well-known humectant. It helps to retain the moisture on your skin, and also the thing about humectant is that if it is in a higher percentage, then you have to drink adequate amount of water, or else it draws out water from the deep layers of your skin. Make sure that you have a damp skin when you are applying this product. Then there is shea butter. Shea butter is one of the amazing thing while the product formulation, because it acts as an emollient. So emollient is actually acting like the shield on the skin to retain the moisture into your skin. And then we're going to talk about the vitamin B5, which is known as a humectant again. So it has a powerful moisturizing property. When you apply it, what happens is that your skin starts to feel smooth, shiny, and it gives that nice hydrated finish when you have vitamin B5 into your skincare formulation. Then there is propanediol, also emollient, and has amazing properties of retaining the moisture into your skin. So when I was going through the formulation, I can see that there are high number of emollients on the top, and then humectants, which is especially designed for the hydration purpose. So in this product, they claim that they have methoxazole. So methoxazole is Coca-Cola. It is also known as Centella asiatica, and these are the plants which have high amount of antioxidants, and they play a major role in retaining the hydration into your skin, and also in general improving your skin texture. There are numerous products which have methoxazole in it, and methoxazole is nothing else but Coca-Cola in general. So it is also present in this cream, which makes it a really powerful cream to be incorporated into your skincare routine as a very enriched and best moisturizer. So Centella asiatica has been known to have high amount of antioxidants, which is absolutely true, because there have been numerous studies on the hydration as well as the antioxidant properties of it, and they have shown a positive result. So in India, Coca-Cola has a huge amount of antioxidant properties because they have been used from the Ayurvedic time, which is like from a very long era, and they have always shown a positive effect on the skin improvement in general. So there are different products out there in the market if you want to opt, but this is one of the cheaper product and which is really effective on your skin. So the thing about these two bacterial ferments is that they maintain a good microbiome on your face. Let's say you have acne, so there are numerous different bacteria which are getting clogged into your pores, producing that huge acne. So you want something that can maintain the proper microbiome flora so that you don't get active acne or else lead to a pimple formation or to a scar formation. So you need something that can actually maintain a proper microbiome balance on your skin. So basically your body has composed of different bacteria in your gut as well as on your skin, because it is exposed to other outer environment a lot. So there are different bacteria present in the environment which can settle on your skin, and probably some of the bad bacteria can produce different pimples and acne. So I'm making it as simple as possible for you to understand that the formulation helps you to have a proper microbiome, especially it is for the children. So if you have small kids, they should not have any sort of fungal reaction. So these ferments actually help as an antimicrobial agent. So if there is sort of different harmful bacteria coming and adhering on your skin, then these ferments can help to eliminate those bacteria or else hinder the growth of bacteria, and just leading to growth of good bacteria on your skin, hence leading to better skin appearance and hydrated skin. So yeah, I do use it. It's really good product. My personal suggestion is that you should grab this, try it out, and tell me how amazing this product is, and thank me later, because I just suggested you one of the amazing moisturizers that you can actually incorporate it into your skincare. In conclusion, I absolutely love the packaging. I absolutely love the product. I absolutely love the texture of the product as well, and the ingredients is like amazing, and I love it because it's fragrance free. I have a thing for fragrance free products because I have suffered from hyperpigmentation a very long time, and I needed some things which were treating my pigmentation on the skin. It was really bad because my face used to look very dull, and I needed something that could cure it. And after a long journey of finding amazing products, I have decided to share with you guys the best products that I have encountered and that would actually help you guys too. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye.